Hello everyone, welcome on my channel, and today we're going to talk about LayerZero, actually about LayerZero airdrop. So what's that? Actually this is new huge project, and if you go to their website, which goes LayerZero.network, we can see their fonts, and as you can see it's like pretty cool fonts like Anderson Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and a lot of really good fonts. So actually they already gave us some hints about drop. And today I'm going to show you several steps how we can potentially win the drop. So it's going to be pretty easy, just need to do step by step. You can watch or this video or go to my Telegram channel in which I wrote all these steps one by one. Otherwise you can watch and just follow me. So first thing we're going to go to 1inch, and we need to buy a Stargate token, which calls STG. If you don't have this token right here, you just can simply add it in CoinMarketCap official website. So you need to buy at least for $1 at least, but actually of course if you can invest more it's going to be much better, but at least $1 is going to be more than enough. And after that we're going to go to Stargate, and here we're going to add STG in Ethereum network, and we're going to move it to STG Arbitrum network. It's going to be our second step. All right, this is extremely necessary because Stargate is basically the bridge, and we're going to use their service. So here we're gonna write your maximum amount. Unfortunately I have nothing here, but you're gonna have 2 or whatever. So you're gonna press max and then enter amount. After you did that, you're gonna go to fourth page, which calls stake right here, and you're gonna stake your funds in Arbitrum network. All right. After that, you're gonna have opportunity to vote on snapshot. Just right here, you're gonna press this button join. So how it works? Basically now they don't have any open questions, but if they're gonna have, you can see here pressing active. If they're gonna have some, you just simply go and they're gonna give you some answers, yes or no or whatever, and you're gonna vote. Depends on your capacity of your stake. Doing that, you kind of show that you're active participator of DAO. And actually it's like really good, not just for LayerZero airdrop, actually it's good for a lot of new projects and networks, kind of Optimism, Arbitrum, LayerZero, Starknet, a lot of. So I hardly recommend you to do this one. It's pretty important. After that, we're gonna go to next website, which calls LayerZero X Circle, and here we're gonna connect with girly Testnet. And as you can see here, we have 3 different faucets. We can open them. So here we have USDC Testnet faucet. Here you can choose, it's a network, I believe. You're gonna paste your address MetaMask right here. And after that, you're gonna follow their page and tweet what they're gonna ask you to tweet. And after that, we're gonna copy the link of tweet, paste here. I'm not a robot, submit, that's it. You're gonna have some tokens. Okay, next one is girly faucet. It works just once per day. And then you're gonna paste your Ethereum wallet here, send me. This is official website, so no worries at all. And last one is gonna be Avalanche. For that, here you can ask for some Avalanche because we're gonna use Fiji network as well. As you can see, Fiji chain. So after we ask for all those testnet tokens, we can use our girly testnet, and we have like a balance 450. Okay, let's transfer 200. We're gonna confirm it right here. Submit it. Okay, as you can see, pending. We're gonna wait. After that, you can switch network. And send it back. So you can send from Fiji to girly, from girly to Fiji. And if you're gonna make it more, you know it's better because it's kind of like a volume. So I hardly recommend you to do as many transfers as you can. Okay, next one is liquidity swap. Liquidity swap is charged by Pontem wallet. It's Aptos network, but actually as you can see they have more networks. They have LayerZero, which you're gonna test today, Wormhole, and Seller. So why are we gonna use this website? Actually, this website is gonna give us not 1, not 2, and not even 3 airdrops. They're gonna give us 4, and this is just all I know, maybe even more. So first one is gonna be LayerZero, which we do today. Second one is Sui. Third one is Pontem. And fourth one, I think, or Starknet or ZK Sync, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna write in my Telegram, I don't remember now, but we have to use this website. It's very important, especially if you have Aptos. I hardly recommend you to make a pool here. Otherwise, you can also just buy one. Otherwise, you can buy just one and make a little small pool. That's also fine. All right, so what we're gonna do? So first we're gonna move some assets from LayerZero to Aptos. We're gonna use bridge. So we have tons of different tokens, as you can see. You can choose anything you like. For me, like it's my new wallet. I have nothing here, so I'm gonna use just let's say Ethereum Arbitrum, and then we're gonna bridge it to Aptos. It's gonna be wrapped. Okay, you're gonna do a maximum transfer. So then you have to do some swaps. Of course, if volume gonna be bigger is better, as I told you. After that, we can go to pool, create some pools, and that's it. It's gonna be really good. You can create your own pool if you want. If you don't want, you can just put to created already pool, and if you don't need it anymore, you can just redeem it. All right, so done with it. After that, we have one more website. It's Angle, and on this website, actually you can trade, but it's not testnet. You have to trade with your real funds, or you can buy their token and just like stake it. A lot of things you can do here. Or otherwise you can buy their own token which calls Angle, and you can lock, and it's gonna also give you opportunity to vote. So then we go to another website which also very important. This website, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have their own token in the future, so we're gonna kind of kill two birds. We're gonna make it airdrop for LayerZero, and probably we're gonna make some airdrop for this token as well. So this website has two different networks. One is Arbitrum Girly, another one is Classic Arbitrum. On Classic one is not testnet. They're gonna ask you for deposit 20 USDC. On those 20 USDC, don't be worried, just deposit, nothing will happen to them. You don't need to trade if you don't want. You can just leave it here and withdraw them after you're gonna get airdrop. If you don't want to wait, you can do it earlier, but 20, it's not that much. I think better just leave it here. To stay in the website, and creator is gonna see that you were kind of active member. You just like deposit money, so it's good. But for now, we're gonna use just a testnet. Okay, and so on testnet, we're gonna firstly use faucet. So here you can paste your Ethereum address, and then you're gonna press claim. I already did it today. Okay, so after that, after you get some testnet tokens, you can use the futures. They have fifth leverage, and you can go long or short. I did it today for Ethereum. As you can see, we have already $7,000. It's testnet money, all right, not real money. Okay, let's go next. So after that, we're gonna go to our vaults, and here we also can kind of stake. So we're gonna use USDC. So let's say 100,000, and we're gonna deposit them. All right, submit. And here in the bottom, you can do exactly same thing. You see we have some tokens. You can also stake them here. Okay, next website is Radiant. We're gonna add Arbitrum Rinkeby. It's the same Arbitrum testnet or whatever. First we're gonna go to faucet. Where is it? Okay, here, more faucet. Okay, as you can see, I already asked for some tokens today. Now we're gonna ask for USDT. Okay, faucet, please. Okay, and one more. It's gonna be wrap Bitcoin, also faucet. Okay, cool. After that, we're gonna go to deposit, and here we can see all our tokens. Okay, let's go, for example, USDT. Okay, so here we can, or just a simple deposit, or we can use a loop. You can read here what is loop. Okay, let's go loop for now. Let's go, okay, 8,000. Let's leave maybe for future, we need something. Okay, so 8,000, and then you're gonna do all steps they ask you here to do. Okay, down with it, you can do all tokens. At this page dashboard, you can see everything what's going on in your account, your health factor, and so on. Okay, cool. We have two more websites to check. First one is tofuNFT, and on this website just connect your wallet, okay, and you can buy this NFT which enters the Arbitrum of this NFT. You can buy that NFT. Maybe in the future for Arbitrum it's gonna be useful. They grow in price like crazy. 2 weeks ago they cost like 10 times less, so maybe it's like kind of good idea if you have a lot of accounts to to buy few of them. Maybe you have some, maybe they're gonna give you some drop, but I'm not sure, so just do your own research. Anyway, just connect your wallet, and if you can buy or sell your NFT here, it's gonna be even better. And last website is Trantor Network. It's a testnet as well, but for now it doesn't work. So what we're gonna do, you can ask for a mint testnet NFT right here. Then you're gonna choose transfer from Binance Smart Chain testnet to Mumbai testnet, and then select your NFT, just transfer. Now it doesn't work, but they kind of announced the first circle of testnets is already over, but second circle gonna be soon. So keep in mind this website as well. So, and for now, that's it what we can do for LayerZero. Doing all this stuff one time, or even better if you do it several times, you can be sure you're gonna get some airdrop from LayerZero. Wish you the best. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.